out everything. Got a window here so we can see things inside. Anyway, seal it properly so no air will get air tightness. I think as long as we have the air tightness, then only allow the air to come out through the screen. That's the key. Yeah, that's the key. Switch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Woohoo. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, how come still? Can you try to adjust the fan speed somehow? Just move it. Oh, what's that sound? Blowing somewhere. Blowing. Huh? Try this time. We make it airtight, so hopefully more bubbles. So see something coming out from the side. I think that's that's a sign that there's some see any leakage. Oh. Yeah, now we're gonna kill the bubbles by feeding the bubble into the fan. That's called recycle. Recycle the bubbles. You see, nothing coming out. There. Ooh, ooh.
That's amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, so you feel the warmth going through the bubbles.
Yes, yes. That's the sun. That's the sun.
The sun.
Yeah. And now, yeah, insulation. Insulation. Yeah, protection for your hand. I don't know. I just mix. You know, ideally should be 10% actually. Yeah. But I just mix. You know. Metal bar to hold it and use clamp. So pretty tight, I think. Yeah. Pretty tight. So the bubbles. Well, I think still somewhere, maybe at the top, not sealed properly. But anyway, well, air tightness certainly is important, right? But yeah. The bubbles, lots of bubbles. Yeah, this is a blue one. Maybe try one more with another one to see what's the difference. I changed the spray nozzle to red. This is it. This is the result. I don't see much difference. Maybe there's some difference. Yeah, but anyway, that's yeah. I try to seal the top with foam. Whatever. Oh yeah, there's some. See where is the liquid coming out? That's where the leakage is. Yeah, this is the problem. I think it's the we didn't tighten on. See here. Where's there's foam coming out, then there's leakage. Anyway, that's air tightness is important. Yeah.